Hi guys, it's Nikki, creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you how to crochet the wheel stitch. You need some yarn in 2 different colors. You will need a hook according to the size of your yarn. Make a chain with a multiple of 10 plus 6 plus 1. In my case, I have a chain of 27 chains. Starting from the second chain from the hook, crochet 1 single crochet in the next 2 chains. Now skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and then the next one crochet 7 double crochets. Skip 1, 2, 3 chains and 1 single crochet in the next 3 chains. Again, skip 3 chains and then 7 double crochets in the next chain. Skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and then again 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 chains. Again, skip 3 chains, and in the very last one, crochet 4 double crochets. During the last double crochet, change colors. And turn. Now start with 1 single crochet in the next 2 double crochets. Now chain 3 and now in the next 7 stitches, that includes the double crochets and the single crochets and again some double crochets, create a cluster that includes 7 double crochets, which means you're going to start a double crochet and don't finish it until you have 7 of them together. Once you have 8 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 8. Now chain 3, and then the next 3 double crochets, crochet 1 single crochet in each. Chain 3. Again, do the cluster as we just did. Once you have 8 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all. Chain 3, 3 single crochets, 1 in each of the next 3 stitches. Now chain 3, and now crochet a cluster of 4 double crochets in the next 4 stitches. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops on your hook. Now crochet an alternative turning chain in the top of the cluster. Now add 3 more double crochets in the same stitch. skip the chains, and then 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 single crochets. Again, ignore the chains and crochet 7 double crochets on top of the cluster from the previous row. Again, ignore the chains and crochet 1 single crochet in the next 3 single crochets. On top of the cluster, again, crochet 7 double crochets. Ignore the chains and finish the row by crocheting 2 single crochets and changing color during the last single crochet. Make an alternative turning chain, but don't finish it. In the next 3 stitches, create double crochets, but in total it's going to be a cluster, which means you're not finishing the double crochets each time. Now finish it. Chain 3. In the next 3 stitches, 1 single crochet each. Chain 3. Again, you're crocheting a cluster, but over 7 stitches, 7 double crochet cluster. Once you have 8 on your hook, yarn over and pull through all. Chain 3, and then 3 single crochets. Again, chain 3, and create the cluster. Yarn over, pull through all. Chain 3, and then finish with 2 single crochets. And turn. Crochet 1 single crochet in each of the single crochets. Now on top of the cluster from the previous row, crochet 7 double crochets. Now on top of the single crochets from the previous row, crochet 1 single crochet in each. On top of the cluster, 7 double crochets again. Again, on top of the single crochets, 1 single crochet each. And on top of the cluster, right here, we have 4 more double crochets. Now you will change colors again. You will repeat the last 4 rows we just did over and over again until you finish your product. I hope this video was helpful on how to do the wheel stitch. It can be useful for many different projects, whether it is a blanket, a hat, a scarf. There's so many things you can do with this stitch. I hope this video was helpful and clear. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on the rest of my social media pages. Be sure to click the notifications button so you will get a notification the next time a new video is available. Thanks for watching. Bye!